Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. This is your friend Gagan Jolly from nowGurukul. Few months back, we started a challenge which is known as ServiceNow JavaScripting Challenge. The intention was very simple. I wanted to learn JavaScripting, and I just thought, let's take few more people along and learn. Let's learn together, which led to the birth of a community which is known as nowGurukul, where we are thousands of people connected to help each other on a daily basis and to learn and grow together. Now we are coming with a version of Now Gurukul 2024 Hands-On Challenge. The intention is very simple. We are going to learn ServiceNow, its features, its modules on the daily and the disciplined approach. How it's going to look like? Every week you will get 7 challenges to do. It's not a tutorial based classroom, it's a more of a disciplined approach to learn the things. You, me, everybody wants to do a lots of things in their daily life. We have our work, we want to upskill in service now, but somehow we are not able to do because sometimes we lose motivation, sometimes we are not disciplined enough, sometimes we lose our passion. But just think, when we are connected as a community, you are getting daily reminders, you are seeing other people doing daily stuff, and it will stack up to a greater pool of learnings, I would say. So if you want to join me in doing this, let's get connected on the following WhatsApp groups or the LinkedIn pages where the challenge will take place. And I'm going to do this, even if you're not coming along, I'm going to do this alone for me, because this is something that I am dreaming for myself. Let me take an example. Let's say tomorrow you get a requirement to make a UI action to perform some task, and let's say you have never touched UI action in before in your ServiceNow career. There will be a bit of anxiety and the less confidence in you, right? How to mitigate that? I'm not telling you that I will make you expert in ServiceNow. The only agenda of this challenge is to learn something every day, so that with time you know most of the things how it works in ServiceNow, if not to the expertise level, but still at the beginner level. So that is the whole agenda of it. If let's say if you get a task tomorrow to do and make an email template, you haven't done that, right? So if you learn daily with me, with our community, you will be able to do the things in a more efficient way. And of course, there are other benefits as well. You will get a lot of network, a daily motivation. But wherever you are stuck, you will get the solutions of it from the other peer members. So gear up for the 2024 Now Gurukul Hands-On Challenge. And the first challenge will be posted on the 1st January 2024 with the intention of learning 365 new things in the upcoming year. So ladies and gentlemen, if you are not connected to us, connect us via WhatsApp or the LinkedIn page. The links will be shared in the caption. Thank you so much.